This was the flood from Helene, which rose to 22 feet. Now, owner Brantley Ivy is still trying to clean out from what Helene left behind.
We've got to get back in operation just as quickly as we can.
You can't wait
We
for the
have no
funding.
way to gather cattle, have no way to doctor anything if it's sick, no way to ship stuff out. So we are crippled as an operation. We have no operational ability. That's how we get it built back, and we can't build it back till we get it cleaned up.
Helene's damage was much worse in nearby North Carolina, but the New River runs north and some of the debris entered Virginia.